All right there, boys and girls, here we are, day 8 of our daily math. Question number 1. What time is on this clock? Well, the hour hand is pointing at the 3, so it's going to be 3 what? Counting by the minutes, we know every big number, like these here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, the bigger printed numbers. Each one of those is 5. Each one of these little marks right here is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So it is 305. Fill in numbers to make this true. We have something is going to be less than something. Okay. How about, I'm going to do a couple, see how we're doing today. 1/2 is less than 1. Is that true? Or we can go like this. 5 is less than 10. Thank you. So let's go to number 3. Here it says, this rectangle has blank rows and blank columns. So let's count the rows. Oh, then it says, write a repeated addition equation to show how many squares in all. So rows, 1, 2, 3, 4 rows going across. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. And columns, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Again, there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So, repeated addition, we can go 5 plus 5 plus 5 plus 5 equals something, right? So 5, 10, 15, 20. 5 plus 5 plus 5 plus 5, or 4 times 5 is 20. Great job with that one. All right. Number 4. Finn is 5 horseshoes tall. If you measure Finn using gold coins, how tall do you think he would be? Make an estimate. Well, let's see. This gold coin is this big. So about like that, right? So there's 1, 2, 3, and maybe a little over 3. So I would guess if it's 5 horseshoes and you get 3 gold coins for each horseshoe, that would be, let's see, 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, right? Somewhere between 15 to, I don't know, 18-ish. About 15 to 18 gold coins tall. Anywhere in there, you could say 20 maybe, 15 to 20, something like that. Okay? Number 5, do you need more or fewer, or less than, do you need more or fewer gold coins than horseshoes to measure Finn? Well, we kind of already answered it by guessing a number larger than this number, right? Therefore, we would need more gold coins because there's about 3. There are about 3 to 4 gold coins to each horseshoe. And I want to put to each one horseshoe. That way we really kind of know that those 3 to 4 gold coins, for every one horseshoe you have that many, okay? So, here we are, turning apples to applesauce. All right, boys, girls, have a great day. We'll see you on day 9.